Last video, I have explained why we should import products from China.
Yes.
From this video, I will give you some ideas how we choose the correct product to make good money.
Okay.
Number one, we should choose the products we are familiar with or what kind of job we are at now. In China, we have one thing. Successful business is always from the known fields instead unknown.
Yes.
That is to say, if you are familiar with this field, it will be easier to win. We can choose the products those we use quite often, or it is related to our job, or we have family or we have friends in this field now.
Yes.
If so, then we will know this product it is sold good or not, or where the customer is. We also know this product, their characteristics.
Yeah.
So if we are really in this business someday, then we will be easier to get support from our family or from our friends. So after the products confirmed, we can go to Alibaba or Google China suppliers. If you are not familiar or if you don't know how to find good China suppliers, you can check my previous videos. There we have very detailed explanation.
Yes, thank you, boss.